Welcome down to Funland. We did say we were coming down here once the backsplash was on, and look at how good this Miami looks. The Super Miami, the technical park one, has its backsplash, surfs up, and it looks spectacular. Up close, this is hand painted, beautifully painted. Obviously we'll get some wide shots in a minute as well. It gives us a little chance to sort of have a look at some of the bits and pieces. And here it is. In addition to the backsplash as well, some of the lights have started to go on. So there was lights at top going down the arm. Not sure whether the arm ones will be put on. Hopefully be connected in time for Halloween when we get to see it in the dark. But yeah, it just really does look the business. Now the park is closed today. We are here on a closed day, so we won't be riding it today, but I will be back obviously for my pre-summer visit to give it a ride with everything else as they prepare for the summer months. But what a beautiful ride this is. See, it's caught a lot of people by surprise. It is intense. It does move quick, but it does look stunning. Right, let's get some wide shots of this now and then show you what else is going on around Funland, because there's other bits going on as well at the moment. Here's the wide shot of the backsplash. So I have got some graphics coming for the front as well, but look at that, worth the wait. Definitely worth the wait. And I can tell you, when it's in action, it looks brilliant with all the lower graphics done as well. So surfs up, the Super Miami is open at Funland. You can get on it. Right, let's have a little wander around the park, because the park is closed at the moment and there is some work going on down here. For our members, they will have seen that we did post they were changing some of the fencing down here. Well, the fencing has actually been changed on the balloons, and it's currently being worked on and changed over the back there as well at the moment. We've got some lovely new all wooden fencing replacing the metal fencing. As you can see, obviously ride checks go on as well whilst the park is closed. So not only they're replacing the fencing, they do maintenance on the rides all year round. It's just so quiet, isn't it? So quiet. You can see, well, obviously the gates have come out and they are working on the one over here now. Oh, it might be Christmas up there, but I've just seen something ready for Halloween. Obviously I'm not going to say what it is, because, you know, there's surprises coming, but there's some big surprises coming for Halloween. Right, let's go back out and have a look at the top end of the park. As we're here, we will show you around the top end of the park as well. As we can see, the jungle splash, you can hear some noises in the background. That's where they're working on the coaster at the moment over the back there. Always ongoing. That's a beautiful day down here today as well. I've come from work in Southampton, it was raining, but it's a beautiful day down here in Hayling. You can see all the work they're doing track testing. Always ongoing. I know people think they sort of shut for the week and nothing happens, but that's not the case at all. Everything is ongoing around here. Here we go, look, how often, I haven't walked under here for ages, but here is underneath the coaster. Obviously everything is off, they're working on it over here, as you can see. But how often do you get close to any of this? Love it, great little ride this, absolute great little ride. And they're working hard. And then back out the normal exit we'd see. Obviously all the cars are on the track at the moment. So Funland is open weekends, and obviously it's open for the summer holidays, which is the next big port of call. We will be down to ride before the summer holidays and probably during the summer holidays as we then prepare for Halloween. I hope you've enjoyed it. We wanted to show you obviously the backsplash. We've been promising to show you the backsplash. We waited until it was here and up, and it looks fantastic. I really love it. I've had a sneak peek of Halloween, and I'm telling you now, it's gonna be good. I say it every year, and I'm telling you, every year I'm here, it's good. It's got better and better every year, and this year is going to be no different. And then yeah, always nice to walk around a quiet park. People know I love behind the scenes, and there's nothing better than the lovely people down here at Funland.